cricket tournament po siya. Sumabay po yung mga cricket po dito. Nililiparan po yung mga cricket.
Wala nga ngayon, no? Konti lang ngayon, no?
Hi everyone! Ngayon nga po is invited po tayo para sa second year cricket finals po here in SMN Partners. Ngayon nga po is pupunta tayo para sa event. So kasama po ngayon yung pinaka-organizer po ng event, which is si Sir Joel. Kumusta sir? Ito ba ay parang baseball or ano yung isa? Softball and baseball mechanics or malayong-malayo para dun sa larong yun?
Actually, malayo. Kasi ito, ang mechanics nitong cricket na to, both teams may 15 players sila. So on the field, yung bowler on the field, 11 players on the field. Then yung opponent, dalawang batter lang sila. Tapos may tinatawag silang wicket field, yun yung 20 meter yung haba, and both sides may tinatawag silang stump. Yun yung tatlong stick na nakatayo na from the bowler kailangang matarget yung stump na yun. At kapag na-target na yun, yun yung magiging out ng batter. So every bat nila ang mangyayari, tatakbo sila. Yun yung magiging point nila. Yun yung mechanics nito. Secondly, kapag na bat at may borderline sila at lumampas yung bola doon, yun ang point nun is malaki, 6. Kapag hindi tumama sa byline, by air yun, na lumabas sa border. At kapag nabat naman yung bola at gumulong sa lupa at lumabas din ng border, yun yung 4 points. Hindi na kailangan pang tumakbo dun sa wicket field nila.
Okay, ngayon nga po is kasama natin yung isang international which is fanatic talaga siya ng cricket. So, brother, what is your name? What is your good name? Yes. So, ano yung nagustuhan mo sa cricket? So, why do you want this game? How is it?
This night too much good tournament. And, this tournament is very good for us because we are in abroad too much in work, only as an entertainment very good.
1 hour later.
Congrats to the winner. Congrats to the runner-up. All of you are winners. Okay, all of us here are winners. Okay, on behalf of Mr. Sian and the management and all committee here in cricket second season, I congratulate you all. Thank you. Should be there is another. Okay, thank you.